Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping rocking chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning a relaxing trip to the campsite or just want to enjoy some outdoor lounging, we've got something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Outsunny folding rocking camping chairs for adults. This chair stands out for its unique combination of comfort and added storage features, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want more than just a comfortable place to sit. It offers a smooth rocking motion with a 90-degree to 168-degree range, so it's perfect for relaxing after a long day of hiking or exploring. The design includes 600D Oxford fabric combined with Teslin mesh, providing a breathable seat back and a foam-padded headrest for extra comfort. What makes this chair even more appealing are the convenient storage features, such as a cooler bag, cup holder, and side pocket for your snacks and essentials. However, at 22 pounds, it's the heaviest chair on this list, so portability might be a concern for some users. While it has a slightly larger footprint when folded compared to other options, its added features make it a versatile choice for family camping trips or picnics. The Outsunny chair is ideal for those willing to trade a bit of weight for extra functionality. Pros include the breathable backrest, built-in cooler bag, and smooth rocking motion. Cons are its weight and lower portability compared to other chairs in this list. Coming in at number 4 is the GCI Outdoor Stowaway Rocker in Hunter Topo. This is our premium option, and for good reason. It offers a high-quality build and exceptional comfort, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who values durability and convenience. With its patented spring-action rocking technology, you can enjoy a smooth and consistent rocking motion on almost any terrain, whether you're at the campsite, a backyard barbecue, or even a sports event. This chair features a sturdy steel frame that can hold up to 250 pounds, while its padded armrests and solid back design offer a comfortable sitting experience. At 13.9 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other chairs on this list, but it folds up compactly for easier storage and transport. However, it lacks a carry bag, which could be a drawback for people who frequently move between locations. The Stowaway Rocker is perfect for those who don't mind splurging a bit for a premium experience. It's built to last and designed for comfort, but the higher price tag and lack of included storage accessories might not appeal to everyone. Pros include its premium build, smooth rocking motion, and padded armrests. Cons are the higher price and absence of a carry bag. At number 3, we have the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker camping chair in Loden Green. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. This chair punches well above its weight in terms of features and functionality. It's designed for comfort, with a relaxed, lowered seat and a durable steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds. The chair's low-profile design makes it perfect for lounging by the campfire or during outdoor concerts. It features GCI's patented spring-action rocking technology, which provides a smooth rocking experience on various terrains. Plus, it comes with a built-in beverage holder and a secure phone pocket, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. At just 10.6 pounds, the Kickback Rocker is also one of the lightest chairs on this list, making it highly portable. While it lacks some of the premium features of more expensive models, such as padded armrests or a carry bag, the Kickback Rocker is an excellent choice for those who want a reliable and affordable camping chair. Its pros include affordability, lightweight design, and smooth rocking motion. The cons are the lower seat height, which might not be ideal for everyone, and the absence of extra padding. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the GCI Outdoor Roadtrip Rocker camping chair in Hunter Green. This chair is designed for those who prioritize comfort and portability, making it one of the most versatile options on our list. Its extended backrest and padded armrests ensure hours of comfortable sitting, while the included carry bag with a shoulder strap makes it easy to transport. The patented spring-action rocking technology allows for smooth rocking on a variety of surfaces, and the mesh backrest promotes airflow, keeping you cool even during hot summer days. The chair's sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, and it folds down compactly for easy storage. At 12.8 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but its overall comfort and build quality make up for it. This chair is ideal for campers, sports enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a balance of comfort and portability. Pros include the extended backrest, breathable mesh design, and convenient carry bag. Cons are its slightly higher weight and the fact that it's not the cheapest option out there. Finally, at number 1, we have the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker camping chair in indigo blue. This chair takes the top spot for its outstanding combination of comfort, durability, and ease of use. It's equipped with GCI's patented spring-action rocking technology, which ensures a smooth and steady rocking motion on virtually any surface, from campsite dirt to backyard patios. The Freestyle Rocker features a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds, along with a durable mesh backrest that provides excellent airflow. Its solid armrests and built-in beverage holder add to the overall convenience. Weighing in at 11.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy transport, and the Easy Fold technology makes setup and takedown a breeze. This chair is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable all-around camping rocker that doesn't compromise on quality. It's versatile, durable, and reasonably priced, making it the best value for most users. Pros include its smooth rocking motion, solid build, and easy setup. Cons are minimal, but could include its slightly bulkier folded size compared to some other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which chair you'd pick for your next camping trip. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details. See you in the next video.